I got recruited by Emory Healthcare in 2008, and they asked me to join Emory Healthcare as the chief of hair restoration surgery within the Department of Facial Plastic Surgery, because of course my training is in facial plastic and reconstructive surgery. So my dad was really excited. He was on the phone. He's like, "Come on, we'll play golf every weekend." And he's not getting any younger. And I love my dad. And I thought, geez, that would be great. So in 2008, I made the move to Atlanta, and I found I really enjoy it here. It's a lot more like what I grew up with. Like suburban Toronto is kind of like suburban Atlanta, much more so than living in Marina Del Rey and practicing in Beverly Hills. So I just really felt at home in Atlanta, and I decided I closed down my operations in Beverly Hills in about 2012, and I've been here in Atlanta proudly and happily ever since.